Affirmations for abundance, peace, and power. I have everything I need to succeed. I am motivated. I am powerful. I am aligned with a calm and balanced mind. Every action I take serves my highest goals and uplifts others around me. Each day, I trust my intuition completely. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I am wise. I am here to do great things. I am the perfect match for my perfect match. I am a magnet for abundance, joy, and success. Fear is just a feeling. I face it, rise above it, and move forward with strength. I succeed in every area of my life. I am kind. I am respectful. I am patient. I treat everyone I meet with dignity. Only I can define my path. Only I can stop me. And I choose to keep going, right here. Right now, everything is all right. I trust the universe and believe that I am doing my best, no matter the situation. I am loyal, peaceful, and proud of who I am. Everything I do is aligned with self-respect and personal fulfillment. I am open to opportunity, and I seize every moment with clarity. My relationships bring purpose, connection, and joy. I choose to see possibilities all around me. Prosperity surrounds me. Prosperity fills me. Prosperity flows through me. I am capable of incredible things. I am worthy. I am balanced. Everything I need comes to me at the right time. I am present, powerful, and full of heart. I am more than enough. I love who I am. I release the need to control others. I allow myself and others to just be. I welcome the unexpected and trust that everything serves a purpose. I am ready for every challenge. I focus on the good in every situation. I learn from my mistakes and make better choices every day. I radiate admiration for the beauty around me. I remain calm and centered in all circumstances. I am the creator of my life. I build it with intention, purpose, and love. I am full of energy. I radiate joy. I rise above negativity. I choose peace. I am blessed with endless talents, and I use them fully. I release what no longer serves me. I attract only what uplifts me. I am constantly inspired by brilliant ideas. I am satisfied, brave, kind, and admired. Love replaces all anger. Peace flows through me. I am blessed with health and unshakable motivation. I am radiant, filled with charm, beauty, and grace. I am at peace with all that has happened, is happening, and will happen. I am proud of how far I've come. The universe lives within me. I create an amazing life. I am ambitious. I am fearless. I take risks. I embrace change. I am curious, grateful, and constantly growing. I am happy for others and love myself deeply. I enjoy my own company. My inner voice is always kind. I am confident. I can do anything I set my mind to. I set clear boundaries. I work with focus and intention. I create my own success. I attract abundance naturally. I respond wisely to every challenge. I believe in the power of thought. I am a creator. I am respected, valuable, and filled with determination. I am successful in all I do. I am free to be fully myself. I am worthy of love, respect, and meaningful relationships. My friendships are deep, true, and lasting. I forgive. I grow. I learn. I move forward in love. I am safe. I am healed. I am home in myself. My past is behind me. My present is powerful. I attract light, love, and everything good. My life is full of wealth, health, and happiness. I let go of fear. I choose freedom. I embrace peace. I trust the path I walk. I honor my body, my energy, and my soul. I welcome healing, abundance, and transformation. I am infinite. I am divine. I am light. Every cell of my body vibrates with wellness. I live in a world that supports me. I am enough. Right now, exactly as I am. I am guided and protected. I thrive. I glow. I shine. Every day is a gift, and I meet it with gratitude. I have the power to create change. My presence is my power. I follow through. I act with integrity. I trust my instincts, honor my truth, and listen to my body. I create a life of harmony and joy. I am at peace with myself and all those around me. Love is my compass. Joy is my path. Gratitude is my fuel. The best is yet to come.